Sir Romel B. Espejo. And of course, the ones who made and are continuing making this event lively are the NUST Combo, the DISA, and the third-year HRM students. Our partners in this prestigious event: Estilo Salon, Red Ribbon Cakes and Restaurant, Jollibee, 9210 Fitness Gym, Robinson's Department Store, Twigs and Petals Flower Shop, World of Fun, JYJ's Printing Ads, Jazz Food House, Greyhound Photography, and Body's Portrait. With you, sirs and ma'ams, thank you very much for making this event possible. Okay, of course, also to the board of judges, ma'ams, and sir, thank you very much. Okay, the last set of awards will be awarded. Let's start with the best in high fashion attire.
And to award the best in high fashion attire, may I call on Ms. Nova Cristina Enrico and Mr. Marlon T. Santiago, Executive Officers of the University Student Government.